Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad BAIHAQI Farhan bin Muhammad NAIM. My metric number A186147. And today we want to talk about our project. Okay, this project explores how AI tools assist in designing a modern, comfortable and functional living room, balancing aesthetics and practicality using AI generated ideas. Current status: the living room depicted in the image is a well-organized, neutral tone space with the essential furniture including a sofa, coffee table, side table and TV stand. The room features natural light from window with blinds and a framed artwork and a plant, contributing to a calm and inviting atmosphere. The arrangement is functional and uncluttered, supporting relaxation and social interaction. Now we move to existing problems. The lack of personalization. The decor is minimal and generic, lacking elements that reflect the personality of interest of the occupants. Number 2, limited seating. The space offers seating for only a few couples, which may not be sufficient for larger gathering or family activities. Number 3, underutilized space. The area near the window and corners could be better utilized with additional seating, storage or decorative elements. Number 4, lighting. The room relies mainly on natural light and a single table lamp, which may not provide adequate illumination during evenings or cloudy days. And lastly, entertainment focus. The TV is positioned as a focal point, which may limit the room versatility for other activities like reading, conversation or hobbies. And purpose of living room. Background: the living room has historically been the central space in a home for socializing, entertaining guests and families' activities. Its design and function have evolved with changes in lifestyle, technology and cultural trends, but it remains a core area for communal living. Purpose. Now we move to purpose. Number 1, social hub. Serve as the primary area for family gatherings, conversation and hosting visitors. Number 2, relaxation. Provide a comfortable environment for unwinding, watching TV or reading. Number 3, multifunctional use. Often accommodates various activities such as playing games, working from home or pursuing hobbies. Now we move to importances of living room. Number 1, first impression. The living room is typically the first space guests see, shaping their perception of the home and occupants. Number 2, quality of life. A well-designed living room enhances daily comfort, supports social connections, and can positively impact mental well-being. Number 3, adaptability. As lifestyle change, the living room's ability to adapt to new needs is crucial for modern living.
What is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI designed to understand and generate human-like text based on user input. So in interior design, it acts as a virtual assistant to support tasks like design guidance, style matching, concept development, project planning, and also material suggestion. So how does ChatGPT work in design? So the process is simple. Users need to give their input to the room description or ideas. So ChatGPT analyzes the information using its knowledge of design principles and trends, and then generates a tailored suggestion such as layout advice, color palettes, or functional improvements. So what are the advantages of using ChatGPT in interior design? So it offers accessible design expertise, so creative inspiration, and save time in project planning. It's also language friendly, supporting users across different backgrounds. But however, it's important to note its limitations, which ChatGPT cannot directly visualize spaces. Its output can be generic without clear input, and it lacks real-time updates or human emotional understanding. So to show how this works in practice, we perform an AI simulation using a real community living room. So the original photo showed a practical but dark space with mixed colors and limited decor. The request given to the AI was to improve the aesthetics and warmth of the space. So the AI generated design featured several upgrades, which is it added beach curtains for privacy and softness. It also replaced the dark route with lighter minimalist one for specialness, and simplified the coffee table with elegant decor. And it also added a wall clock and extra artwork for visual back, and updated cushions to match the overall color scheme. And comparison, the original space had clashing colors and minimal decoration. It also optimized version created visual harmony, which improved spatial balance and offered a more welcoming atmosphere. So these examples demonstrate how AI tools like ChatGPT can support real-world design improvements and bridging creativity and practicality for community spaces.
In the input content, the use shirt is villa. We used the living room and the request improvement that would enhance the space, design, aesthetics, and overall warmth. The aim was to create an optimized version that feels more cohesive and inviting, and to provide a comparative analysis to highlight the change made. And in the AI-generated design, we softened the space and provide more private, bigger curtains were added, which also helped tie in the neutral tones of the room. Also, the dark room originally in the room was replaced with a lighter one to brighten the area and unify the color palette. The coffee table decor was simplified, reducing visual clutter and making the space feel clean and more spacious. Additionally, a wall clock and extra artwork were introduced to bring more character and depth to the previous underline. So, according to the picture, we can make a comparative analysis. In terms of the visual harmony, the original space featured a mix of classic colors and styles, and it will disrupt the room's balance. In contrast, the optimized version adopts a more unified color scheme of wood and soft red, creating a visually clear and cohesive environment. Regarding wall decoration, the original room had a minimal wall elements, with only one piece of the artwork, leaving the space feeling flat and unfinished. The updated version introduced a wall clock and an additional piece of artwork, which not only added visual interest but also helped create a
Hi everyone, my name is AZIZ, and today I'll be presenting about the role of artificial intelligence as virtual designer, focusing on three main areas, which is advantages, limitation, and future potential. So let's begin with the advantages. AI offers incredible speed and efficiency. What might take a human designer hours or days to create, AI can generate in just a minute. However, despite this strength, AI has its limitation. One key issues is that AI lacks human emotion, empathy, and intuition, qualities that are often essential in impactful design. It may not understand cultural context or emotional tone. AI is also limited by its training data, which can result in repetitive and generic outputs, especially for original or abstract ideas. It also lacks deep contextual understanding such as brand identity or social impact, and raise ethical concerns, including unintentional plagiarism or bias in its output. Now let's look in the future potential of AI in design. Rather than replacing designer, AI can serve as a creative partner, supporting brainstorming, offering alternative direction, and helping refine ideas quickly. In the future, AI tools may adapt layout in real-time based on user interaction, enable personalized and responsive design. It can also contribute to inclusive design by checking accessibility aspects like contrast and font accessibility. As AI continues to evolve, it may integrate with AR, VR, and immersive technologies, unlocking new dimensions in interactive and experiential design. In conclusion, AI is a visual designer present exciting opportunity. Maybe it may never replace the emotional and creative depth of human design. It's a powerful tool to enhance our work, save time, and push the boundary of what's possible in the design world.
My name is FADHLUL and the conclusion for this project is it shows how the living room is an important part of the house for relaxing, socializing, and welcoming guests. We identify some problems in the current design, such as not enough seating, plain decoration, and poor lighting. Then, we use ChatGPT to help improve the space. ChatGPT gave useful ideas like changing the rug, adding wall art, and making the colors match better. And the new design feels more comfortable, stylish, and organized. Even though ChatGPT is helpful and save time, it has some limits, such as it cannot see the room or understand feelings like a human. Still, it's a good tool to help with design ideas and planning. And in the future, using AI with human creativity can make home design easier, faster, and more personalized. Thank you.